In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix my PS5 overheating. So what I did firstly is that I went into settings on my PS5 and then I clicked on users and accounts right here. Then I just scrolled down and I clicked on other and then I clicked on restore licenses. And then I just selected my games that I have and then I clicked on restore. And then I clicked on yes right here. And yeah, it's going to take you a couple of seconds obviously to restore them. And now when it's done, there is one more thing that you can also do, and that is to scroll down in here on settings again and click on save data and game app settings here. Scroll down, click on game presets, and this one right here, performance mode right here, set it to performance mode obviously if you already haven't done so yet, if that makes sense. Well, basically these two methods right here fixed it for me, but it's not a guarantee that it of course will fix it for you as well. Some of you will have like a fan on your PS5 that is like covered in dust, unfortunately, probably, or any other things, and that could actually result in your PS5 overheating quite a lot. And if you want to be able to clean the fan, you can do it, but you need to be really careful. I would probably even suggest to you to go into a store that can help you to fix that. Another thing that you can also try, by the way, before I forget, is to click on storage right here. And yeah, make sure to free up some storage if it's like on almost maximum like capacity for you. So maybe delete a game or something like that, or delete from media gallery if you can, because that can also fix this problem. Because if you have like a lot of space on your PS5, that can sometimes also cause it to overheat, just so you know. So try this and hopefully now it's going to work for you.